Yes, 9:24, and your eyes aren't deceiving you there, nor are your ears. We have some carolers that aren't going to get pitchy or lose their voices. Robots are the future, and now some are showing off their skills as Christmas carolers. So this is probably the first time ever we've had robots as guests on Good Day Chicago. Don't worry, they're not putting you all out of business, but they are joined this morning by Stephanie Gong. She is the founder of Chicago-based Rutech Robotic Innovations, and we have Jason Lee, who is the VP of Operations. Good morning to you both. Thanks for being here on the show.
Thank you for having us here.
This is super cool. I feel like we were equally excited and a little freaked out when you guys came in with these robots. Tell us more about them. Where are they made? How do they work?
Jason, how about you talk a little?
Yeah, so we have different manufacturers providing solutions to real industries where applications for robot-human collaboration is desperately needed. All these were born out of the COVID times. We're both from the food industry, and we realized this is something we need from delivery services to cleaning the floors. They all need humans to operate them, to guide them, to set the parameters, but they just make the work-life balance and work quality much better enhanced.
Oh, I like the sound of one to clean, especially. Okay, so how do you program them, and how do you get them to start moving and singing?
Sure, we have programmers from really all the researching manufacturers. We have technicians on site as well as from overseas in multiple languages, helping them how to navigate. Every facility is slightly different. So they all need to be programmed. They all need to be, with a technician on site, be improved, enhanced throughout the whole course of their tenure, I guess. Yeah, and so they will be, so the biggest difference would be from, let's say, Roomba, or let's say from just regular old vacuum machines, would be that it's autonomous. You could program it so that while you're attending something else, that it'll do the mundane labor, basically.
So while I'm at work, I can have this program and come back home to a clean house?
And it'll tell you where it cleaned.
Oh, nice, nice. I'm loving it already. I'm going to have to scoot out with this one. Okay, so they're going to be singing some Christmas songs for us. Do we just say robots take it away, or what? How do you do this?
A little bit of interaction. To the touch, it'll respond to it. And I think Steph is going to start the music.
Yes.
So these are for restaurants that want to promote their names and their special items for the season with the music. Okay. So it'll continue to sing, like you said, without losing voice, while it's navigating without hitting anybody or pausing, because they also communicate with one another too.
Like that. Do we have another one as we go to break here?
So we're actually going to have the dogs. It's going to...
Oh, they're moving.
There you go. Some of these have a security feature where they actually record for surveillance purpose or just purely entertainment purpose.
Well, listen, they are super cute. Again, thank you all for both being here. I'm going to try to not get attacked by the dog as we go to break. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
Winter is here.